Good afternoon, everyone. So, in this class, we will discuss about the second topic of the construction of the cam profile with the simple harmonic motion. Okay. In the last class, we are already discussed about the uniform velocity, about that uniform velocity knife edge follower, and then in that knife edge follower, we are constructed the uh, cam profile. Okay, this is your second topic. Okay, so make sure to watch the full video. After that, give me the your attendance in that comment section. Okay, so here in the topic 2, the construction of cam profile. uh, in that, what we are doing here, for example, I am taking the knife edge follower here. The cam is to be designed for a knife edge follower with the following data. With the following data, we have to draw the knife edge follower. Okay, then here in that following data, during the next first is cam lift 40 mm during 60 degree. Okay, while the camp is lifting up direction, it makes an angle 90 degree. Okay, within simple harmonic motion. The question is already given. It is comes under this simple harmonic motion condition. Dual for the next. Dual means you already know. It means the constant, while the follower is move on constant period. Next, during the next 60 degree of cam rotation, it's a return stroke and it's come original position, while the follower is goes from low level to the high level. Then it, after that some time of period, and it will come back again, so that is called original position. It's also mentioned here also simple harmonic motion. That's why I am highlighting these terms. A question will be give to you who which condition we have to solve, in which condition is there, and we have to solve that problem. So next the question is asking to you, draw the profile of the cam when the axis of follower is passed through the axis of camshaft. You know very well what does it means. It means the follower is moved, the follower and the cam is on same axis. B, the axis of follower is offset 20 mm from the axis of camshaft. It means the follower is differ from the cam 20 mm offside. It's a dimension is given here. Okay, radius of the cam is given. Radius of the cam we have to know. Definitely the question will give you while you are constructing the diagram. Then two or more things are here to determine. What are those? Determine the maximum velocity. We have to determine here the maximum velocity and acceleration of the following during ascent and descent. Means while ascending order means small to big. Ascent is a short form of ascending order. Descent is a short form of descending order. You know very well maximum velocity, how to calculate the maximum velocity. We having the formula of maximum velocity. Okay, that maximum velocity we will take omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So this formula we have to take, then we will substitute the value, then we can easily get that the maximum velocity. After that we have to determine the acceleration of the following during ascent or descending order. While the follower is moved from low level to the high level, in that ascending order, how much the acceleration is there, and while it comes again ascending to descending order from large to big, and how much the acceleration is there. So these two things we have to solve at the rpm. The rpm is rotation per minute. Okay, speed of the follower. Okay, so we have to know how much the acceleration is there in that ascend or descend. So first we have to write down the given data about the question. given cam lift, okay, cam lift up, S is equal to 40 mm during 90 degree. 90 degree is your theta O is equal to 90 degree. It means odd stroke. Okay. Next, if you are converting S is equal to 40 mm in terms of meter, then you have to divided by 1000, because of 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 millimeter. So you have to divide, means you will get 0.04 meter. Okay. Next, in that odd stroke, if you want to change this degree in terms of radii, so theta is equal to theta O is equal to pi by 2. 90 it means the pi by 2, one of the semicircle of the half of the semicircle, pi by 2 radii. So pi by 2 it means the value is, if you are calculating on that calci, you will get here pi divided by 2, it means 1.57 radii. Okay, as like this. The another is second point. Okay, dual for the next 30 degree, it means d theta d is there. Okay, the next is dual for the theta d is equal to 30 degree. Okay, means you have to divide it pi by 3 radii. Okay, this is if you want to take in terms of this, you can take, otherwise you can take with the suitable example of scale. 30 degree, I already told, 30 degree it means 3 centimeter, and 90 degrees means 9 centimeter. Okay, you can take. So no need to take here in terms of pi by 3, because of it is a dual nature. Dual nature means constant. In that constant period, the follower will not be move in up and down direction. It will move in horizontal direction. Okay. The next thing is, in that question, during the next 60 degree of the cap rotation, the follower returns, means theta r is equal to 60 degree in terms of pi by 3 radii. If you are calculating pi by 3 here, you will get that the value. Okay, 1.047, 1.04. You can take 7 also, or else 4. Next, n is given. N is means speed of the cam is equal to 240 rpm. Here cam rotate at 240 rpm. Next, they constructed the displacement diagram. Construction the displacement diagram. Displacement diagram. Now you can construct the displacement diagram. Because of the given data is in uh, the value is in the large in 9 centimeter is there here, so that's why I am drawing the diagram on vertically on that paper. So first we have to take in that steps of construction we are already said the first step is draw the horizontal line from A to X roughly. Okay, take the measurement first 9 centimeter, then next 30 centimeter, then next 60 centimeter, and the remaining then you will get here. Okay, this is your 9 centimeter. (90°) 9 centimeter. Okay, the next the length of the follower camp lift up means it's a length of the follower. You can write here also of follower. What is length of follower? What is this length of follower? Okay, so see, so 1 minute. Okay, so again I am started where I am stopped. Okay, so length of the follower is 40 mm, means this is your A, and the last one is X, then here to here the 30 meter is there, 3 centimeter is there, I am taken already, means 30°, 3 centimeter, and here 6 centimeter. (60°) 6 centimeter. Okay, what is 60° and 6 centimeter? Okay, next is draw the vertical line. It means the length of the follower. How much is the length of the follower is 40 mm. 40 mm means 40°. Okay, due to I don't have a place, that's why the remaining is in that question the remaining is given 12 for the remaining is 180°. So due to I don't have a place, that's why I will wrote here 180°. 180° it means 80 centimeter, but we don't want to make the 18 centimeter for a long line. Due to if you are not having any place, then you can write. Okay, nothing will happen. 180 degree. If you are calculate 180 plus 60 plus 30 plus 90, you will get the 360 degree, because of camp is rotating 360 degree. Okay. Draw the vertical lines. Okay. Then after that, divide this angular displacement in terms of equal individual parts. Okay. 9 centimeter. This is your 4 centimeter. centimeter. The question is given in the form of 40 millimeter. Okay. If you are dividing 9 centimeter in terms of 9 equal parts, at the time of movement, you cannot easily divide the length of the follower in 9 equal parts. How much parts you are dividing here, that parts are equal to the length of the follower. It means if you are dividing here 5 equal parts, so you have to divide the length of the follower is also in 5 equal parts. So that's why again I am dividing in this line in 6 equal part only, because of if we are dividing in 6 equal parts, then only here we can easily divide 6 equal parts. If we are dividing here 9 equal parts, it means here the lines are very closer to each other. So we can in this small distance we cannot easily draw the 9 equal parts. That's why we are drawing here the 6 equal parts. So you can see here 9 divided by 6. 9 divided by 6 means 1.5 for each equal part. Okay. So you can divide 6 equal parts here. 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 1.5. Wait, this is your second, this is your first is 1.5. Okay, the next is again 1.5, the next is 1.5, correct, the next is 1.5, the next is 1.5. So see how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is your last 6. Okay, then divide this also in how many parts? 6 equal parts. So 4 divided by 6 is equal to 0.66. 0.66. Okay, 0.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a while minute. Once I am checking the correct value, because of I am drawing. So I was taken 4.5 here. So in that question is 40 is given. So you can take here 45. just change the value because of I already taken na, that's why I am changing the value here, that is 45. Due to I am taken here the dimension is 45, so that's why I am not uh, changing the figure, that's why I am taking the 45 here because of this is a 4.5 centimeter, so divided by 45 6 equal parts, you will get 7.5 each one. 4.5 divided by 6, 0.75 means 0.75 each individual part, 0.75, 6, 7, 7, 5. This is next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, and then 6. Okay, draw the vertical lines and horizontal lines. Okay, then here also draw the horizontal lines. You can say about these points. Okay, then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then 6. Next here after that the question is in that art stroke, this is your art stroke, and this is your return stroke. Art stroke, the 12, return stroke. So first see 1 to 1 first. So here I am take 1 to 1, we have to draw the line, then 2 to 2. Due to the follower will move slowly from lower level to the higher level, that's why 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. Okay, 6 to 6. In this case we are seeing here the curve will not be in the straight form, due to in the last uniform velocity just we cut that the straight line, but here in this case we cannot do like that. Okay, So here we have to make the curve. Okay, this is your point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, then next your point G. This is your H, S, T, P. Okay, so make the curve. Okay, so it is not a straight one. Why? Because of it is a simple harmonic motion condition, oscillating motion condition is there. If it is in uniform velocity, it will goes to the straight. If it is the velocity is not a uniform, it will make some curve. Okay, the next here you have to also divide the 6 equal parts. Here the 6 centimeter is there, you can easily so resolve the 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, then next make this line. And the next here 5 to 1, it is a 0, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. This is the last one is 6 dash. Then next here the this is also a knife edge follower. So you have to draw the knife edge follower on this point, because of it will show you the follower is move in upward direction, and then the final one is maximum reaching point. After that sometime it will be a constant for some period of time. After that it will be decrease. A follower will move in downward direction. Okay, then H. After that H 5 to 1 is completed. For 6 to 1 is completed. Reverse. In that return stroke, you know very well, we have to take the value from length of the follower and the camp, how many we are divided the equal parts in reverse order. 5 to 6 to 1, 5 to 2, 4 to 3, then next 3 to 4, 2 to 5 and 1 to 6. This is 1. So like this we have to take here. Okay, the curve will be moved like this. I, J, K, L, M, and this last one is P. Okay, this is your diagram of the displacement diagram. Okay, and you can draw here the semicircle. If you want to draw 4.5, 4.5, this is your 44.5 centimeter, no? 4.5 divided by 2, it means 2.25. So you can take here the 2.25, 2.25. So at the center 2.25. Okay, this is your center. How many is there? This is 4.5. In that 4.5 we are divided the 6 equal parts in terms of 0.7. 4.5 divided by 6 is equal to 0.75 we are taken. So 0.75. So just we have to take the value and cut it. Just cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then next make join this line from the center. Center is this. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So the next is, this is your totally completion of a displacement diagram. Okay. So next we will discuss the cam profile. To use these details, with the help of this figure dimension, we can easily construct the cam profile. Here also you have to write down the steps of construction, then only you will be get the full marks. Remember my words. You have to write down the steps of construction. I will give you the one simple or easy steps of construction. You can easily modify that after this completion of video. With that video I will share you the one Word file for this unit. Then in that unit you will be get some steps of constructions also. Construction of the cam profile. The first bit is, what the first bit is, axis of follower is passed through the axis of camshaft. Axis of follower is pass through the axis of camshaft. This is your cam, the follower of the knife edge, because of the knife edge is given here. So this is the actual diagram. This is a rough diagram. We have to draw the as per the construction of the cam profile. So first we will draw this circle of the cam. So how much the distance, how much the radius of the cam is given here. You can see here the radius of the cam is given here. Radius of the cam is 40 mm. Radius of cam is r is equal to 40 mm. So you can take 40 mm means 4 centimeter. Next, draw the circle. Okay, this is your center point. Okay, next mark the radius of the circle. mm. Next, draw the axis of the cam. Okay, then draw the follower. If it is knife edge follower, draw the knife. It is roller, draw the roller. Okay, then it is a 0 center point A. Then next, take the protractor. The question is given theta naught, theta O means 90 degree. Arc stroke is 90 degree. Means here arc stroke. Then after that theta D is how much? 30 degree. 90. Then next 10, 20, 30, it means here. Okay, this is your dual. Then 30, after the 30, theta remaining is how much? Theta remaining here, theta remaining is 60. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So theta remaining is here. Draw the lines to join this angle. Okay, then next why I am make this curve means I am showing the dimension. Alhamdulillah. I am showing the dimension and which stroke is there. This is your return stroke. Dual. This is yours. From the here the point is there. Arc stroke. Okay, from here to here the angle is 90 degree. 30 degree, 60 degree. Okay, The remaining is, you can see here, the remaining is 180 degree. Okay, in that question the remaining is given. You can see dual during the remaining is 180 degree. Already we are taken here 180 degree. Okay, then after that so here after that we will draw the angular, in that angular displacement we have to draw the, we have to divide this part with an equal individual of parts, like this we have to divide here. So 90 degree divided by 90 degree, how many parts we have divided here? 6. So 90 divided by 6 means 15 degree. On that protector you have to take the 15 degree for each and individual part. 15 degree, 10, 15, 5, 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Then next 10, 15. Then next 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15. Last is there. Okay, draw the lines. Okay, make this point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this you have to draw the equal individual of parts in this return stroke also. But return stroke is 60 degree. 60 degree means 10 degree. You have to take here 10 degree. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is already there. No need to draw with the colorful sketch on the external paper. In that external paper, why I am drawing this means you have to know easily get, you will easily get this diagrams with that different colors. That's why I am taking here. Okay, so next make this names also. 0, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Okay, next on this compass you have to take here the value. First is initially 0, so it will cut here only. Then next, how much? 1, 1 to 1, how much is there? 1 to 1, cut it here. Then next, 2 to 2, how much is there? 2 to 2, how much? Next, 3 to 3, how much is there? You have to cut here 3 to 3. Next, 4 to 4, The next 5 to 5. 5 to 5. The next 6 to 6. 6 to 6. Like this 6 to 6 is also here. Sorry. No. Just make the dimension line. Okay. Next, here 1 to 6 is 0 to 6 is there. 0 to 6 means already done. 0 0, yeah, here 0 to 6 is there. Next 0 to 6. After that 1 to 5 is there. In that reverse order, no? 2 to 4, 2 to 4 is there. The next and the next 4 to 2 is there. Five to 1 is there. Okay. With the smooth curve, you have to draw this cam profile structure. Okay. So this is your construction of the cam profile on the same axis of follower and cam. So remember, steps of construction you have to write. Steps of construction. Okay, must. So here we will denote the value points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and the last is P, like this only. Okay. So this is your axis of on the same axis of camp and follower. Next, that question, the next is given here. Axis of follower offset. Axis of follower is offset. Axis of follower is offset. Wait for 1 minute. So here the axis of follower is offset. In that question is offset 20 mm from the axis of camshaft. So draw this figure. First you have to draw the radius of the cam. Radius of the cam is same because of radius of the cam is given here. How much? 40 mm. 40 mm means 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, and then next make the dimension 40 mm. Oh, the next center of the cam. Okay, and the next 40 mm, 20 mm of your offset of the 20 mm. So you have to take the 20 mm and then draw again. This is your 20 mm. And this is your axis of cam, follower, axis of follower. Now the follower is in this position. Okay, this is your cam axis and this is your follower axis. Okay, the next after that take the protector and draw this from here, not here. Okay, -90°. The next 90, this is your art stroke. Then after that 12, 10, 20, 30, 30°. With that 30°, that constant period is there. Then after that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is yours. This one. So this is your return stroke. Okay, this is 90°. This is your 30°, and this is 60°. Okay, just I am represented. That's why I am writing here. This is return stroke. Okay, 12 art stroke. Okay, then divide 90 into equal parts. How many equal parts? Divide 6 equal parts in the displacement diagram. So you have to divide here. Already we divide in this diagram also. So here 15 is there. Due to we divide here 15 degrees with 6 equal parts. So like we have to divide here also. Ten, 15, 5, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 10, 15, 10, 15. Okay. Next here you have to divide 10, 10. Due to it is a 60°. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now join this line. Okay, for the purpose of making the dimension, these lines are there. Okay, curve line. So this is A, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one line is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 0, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. This is your P. Okay, like this, the same dimension you have to take and cut it. So here you have to take the dimensions 0 on 1 same side, then 1 to 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, we have to take the 1 to 1, 1 to 1, then next 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, then next one here 1 to 6 is there, 0 to 6 is there, 0 to 6, then next 1 to 5, 1 to 5, then next 2 to 4, 3 to 4, or 3 to, then next 4 to 2. Which line I am taking? 4 to 3 to 4 to, okay. Then next 5 to 1 is there, that is a small one is there, and the last one is here only. Make the smooth curve. Okay, so it is, so this is your axis of follower is offset on of 20 mm from the axis of camshaft. So here you have to write the steps of constructions also. Steps of construction must be there. Okay, from displacement diagram, from first bit, second bit, you have to write the steps of construction, each and every one you have to write, then only you will be get. Now the last one is in this problem, the determine the maximum velocity is asking, the determine the maximum velocity, determine the maximum velocity. maximum velocity. Okay, we know that omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. N is given 2 into pi into n is how much is given 240. 240 divided by 60. If you are calculating this value on this cal sheet, you will get that value 2 into pi into 240 divided by 60, 25.1, 25.113 means 25.13 radii per second. This is your unit. The next one is, the question is saying the acceleration of the and the acceleration of the follower during it ascent or descent. Acceleration of the follower during its ascent and descent. Ascent and descent. So here we know that V naught is equal to pi w s by 2 theta o, means pi is pi, w is 25.13 and s is your length of the follower 40. Here we are taken the 45 due to in the displacement diagram we are taken the dimension 45, so that's why I change here. I already told you. Okay, so here you have to take 45 only. So 2 into theta naught. Theta naught in terms of radii we are already done. Theta naught is 1.57. So here pi into 25.13 into 45 divided by 2 into 1.57. How much we are getting here? The value is pi into 25 point. So here the 45 is millimeter. So here we have to convert the 45. Already we are converted in terms of meter. So we have to take the meter while you are doing the acceleration of the following descent or ascent. You have to take here not 45 in terms of millimeter. You have to take the value in meter. Already we have done here. So we have to take the value in meter. 0.04. The answer is 1.00, means 1 meter per second. This is your V naught. Okay, then next, for during the descent, this is your ascent. Acceleration of the follower during ascending order, means ascend 1 meter per second. For descending order, okay, for descending order VR is equal to, in that return stroke the descending order is there, that's why VR pi w s by 2 theta r is equal to pi into 25.13 into 0.04 by 2 into how much theta r is there? Theta r. Here we have taken the theta r in terms of radii 1.047. So now take this value, pi into 25.13 into 0.04 divided by 2 into 1.047, 1.50. Here you get the value is 1.50 meter per second. This is the individual. So acceleration of the ascending or acceleration of the descending, it's an initial one. The maximum is asking, the question is asking the maximum. So if the maximum is asking, you have to solve the maximum. Maximum acceleration, maximum acceleration. Okay, maximum acceleration of the follower during its ascending order and descending order. So the maximum we have to find. For ascending order, A0 is equal to, we know that A outstroke is equal to pi square def omega square s by 2 into theta O square. Pi square into omega square. Omega how much is there? 25.1 square into s how much is there? 0.042. Then next we cannot take here a square because of that is 0.04 is the length of the follower. That's why we are not taking the square. In terms of maximum, theta naught is there 1.571 square. Just calculate this value here. Square is there and pi is also square divided by into 1.571 square, 50.50. This is the maximum, 50.50 meter per second for ascending order. Then another similarly, AR is equal to pi r square omega square into s divided by 2 theta r square. Pi square into 25.1 square into 0.04 divided by 2 into 1 point, how much is there? 1 point, here is there 1.047 square is there. So now just calculate this value. Same is there, just take this different value, 1.047. Rest of the value is same. How much we are getting here? 113.7 meter per second square. Okay, due to acceleration we have to write the meter per second square. This is your topic 2 about the simple harmonic motion to construct the cam profile with a knife edge follower. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and make sure to give me your attendance in the comment section and note down this problem in your notebooks, and as well as I will send you the notes also in that Word file in that group. next two topics are remaining. Inshallah we will next three topics are remaining. Inshallah we will discuss in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video.